recently dumating ako sa point ng buhay na kailangan ko ng extra credit limit so I can purchase certain things because we moved to a new house. We were planning to move to a new house. And then, yun nga, I called BDO to ask if they could give me a credit increase. And 3 days after, they said it's denied, unfortunately. Kasi mali din yung diskarte ko. Times 4 ang hiningi ko sa aking credit limit. So now I realized that that's too much. And surprisingly, 1 month ago, I had like some great news that if you clicked on the thumbnail of this video, you know already what it is. I got double my credit limit without me asking for it anymore. So how did that happen? I just want to share it with you guys quickly. So, yun nga, na-deny ako dun sa first try ko. So, I applied with other credit card companies and na-approve naman ako with a few other ones. So, I used that to solve the problem that I encountered. And thankfully, most of what we need, it's all here now. But I also tell you guys that I don't advocate for using credit cards if you don't have the cash to pay for it. Kumbaga, kung ano yung limit, kung hanggang doon lang yung gamitin mo sa credit card mo, kung ano yung kaya mo bayaran ng cash ngayon agad. No? So, that's just a good rule of thumb, especially if you're still kumbaga newbie to credit card usage, and I think that's a good limit to have. But anyway, I digress. How did I get the double credit limit? Like, frankly, it was very surprising. Did not expect it because yun nga, they denied my initial request. That was February this year, and then I just went on my merry way. And then suddenly, I check on my online account and I see it's double the amount now. And of course, it's welcome. So it opened up a different gateway to new certain parang mga perhaps higher level technology that I might need for work later on. And that's good. That's good to have there. We just furnished our house, most of it. So I think that's for our credit needs for now. I don't know what else we will need in the future. Probably think about some business ventures and things like that. But for now, we're good there. How did it happen? I think just by the sheer volume of the transactions na nagtotal dun sa credit card, meaning magkano yung nagasto mo, tapos magkano yung gasto, bayad. So, example, volume yan siya. Dahan-dahan, nag-accumulate. Ang total volume na dumaan sa credit card mo is like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50K hanggang mag-abot ng 100K, 200K. Yung total ng mga cycles na nag-borrow ka sa card, tapos bayad. So, I think when a credit card company sees that volume ka gumamit and then you are a good payer, I think that gives them a good incentive or a signal that you are ready for more credit and you can pay. And you have the discipline to, be a good customer. Kasi syempre, I know that banks are also competing. Kasi of course, as a bank, you want the customer to use your credit cards and to prefer your credit card over the other ones because, well, that increases or potentially increases your value as a company. So when a lot of people are using your products, right? So yun yung reason bakit I think they don't tell you what the hard rules are for increasing your credit limit. Nung tumanong ako na ako ay nagtanong, nahirapan ako Bisaya kasi medyo hindi perfect yung Tagalog ko. Pero so I asked English na lang, no. I asked the call center specialist or agent or the person answering the call, representative ng BDO, kung ano ba talaga ang kailangan ko gawin para sure ako na ma-increase yung credit limit ko. So I guess I asked for too much. That's the first problem. Times 4 of my credit limit, of my initial credit limit ang hiningi ko. Tapos, dapat siguro mga max na yung times 2. And ngayon ang na-realize ko is max na yung times 2. So, mga 30 to 50% if you're playing it safe. Kung if you want to request for a credit limit increase. And then of course the volume. Sabi pala nung agent na, sir, I cannot tell you the rules or of why or how we decide. You just basically submit an application, give your reasons, like give them a call, and then they will give you a message if it's approved or declined. And during that time, I was declined, and then suddenly, out of nowhere, automatically they double my credit limit. Which is a bit, well, thank you, BDO, for doing that for me. It's kind of like I benefit from it, but BDO also benefits from it as a company, diba? Because they would potentially get more business from me. So anyway, that's a quick update from me, guys. I just wanted to share like kind of like a finance win on my end, but at the same time give you more information on how something like this can happen for you as well. So it's the volume of your credit card usage, I believe, and then leaving it na maxed out. That's another one na parang puno na yung limit niya, so hindi ko na ginagamit kasi I have a couple other credit cards, so yun na naman ang ginagamit ko. So siguro na-realize ni BDO na, bakit hindi niya ginagamit kasi maxed out na. So they increased my credit limit from that point. And true enough, I used it again. No? So yeah, I guess that's just how the system works. And then yeah, of course, like yun din yung isa kong move is yung tumawag din ako sa kanila. So I gave the signal that I'm looking for a credit increase. And somehow, around 6 months din yung time na they actually granted the increase. So ganyan yung kasi yung duration ng pag-approve ng credit cards and credit card limits. Anyway, guys, I hope that you found something valuable from this video about credit cards and increasing your credit card limits. How was it for you? Baka meron din kayo ibang ways na bigla lang na-increase yung credit card nyo or nung naghingi kayo ng increase sa credit limit nyo na nag-grant din agad or na-decline ba? I mean, let me know your story as well. This is just one dimension of the financial journey, your credit relationship with credit institutions. There's a lot more about credit that we can talk about, like larger loans such as housing loans, pag-ibig, mga ganyan na bagay, and of course, the financial freedom side of things, which I am looking forward to discussing with you further. But anyway, that's it for this video. That's it for now. Let me know in the comments if you want to talk about anything else, and I'll see you in the next video.